Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Yusof. My matrix number is 200755. Today we want to do an experiment and also a DIY. It's called a DIY Salinometer. And then this is all the ingredients that we need for this experiment.
Modeling clay, plastic straw, salt, tap water, water bottle, and marker pen. First step, we must take out modeling clay from the box and then mold a ball of modeling clay. Next, take one of the straw and then put a ball of modeling clay around one end of the straw. Try to avoid forming any pits in the clay which can trap the air. Just like that. Step 2. Take water bottle and fill the bottle with the tap water carefully. Next, take another empty bottle and fill the bottle with 10% salt solution that had been prepared just now. Don't forget to label your bottle to differentiate the solution. Step 3. Insert the straw which covered by clay and down carefully into the first bottle. Step 4. Use the marker pen to mark the depth where the salinometer floats in the water. Next, repeat the same step which in step 3 and 4 by inserting the salinometer into 10% salt solution. Don't forget to mark the depth of salinometer too. The last step is interpolate or extrapolate from the two marks that you have made to add additional lines on the scale. You can calibrate your device by using additional standards at other concentrations to improve its accuracy.
Yeah, this is the salinometer that we have made today. Yeah, that's also the result of this experiment. I hope you enjoy with this video. So, see you again.